Guess we owe you one, huh? You take it easy and relax now. Let us handle the night watch.
Oh, that's right. The night can be pretty dangerous, can't it? Okay, then. We'll be counting on you.
Listen, once we reach the city, we're handing you over to the Knights. Till then, don't try anything funny.
Why, you cocky little bastard? Don't
Excuse
think
me.
Huh?
We're gonna be getting some shut-eye over here. But in the event that you do cause any trouble whatsoever, you'll be shredded before Lars can draw his sword.